Pattern Emporium is running a Mother's Day sale, 20% off store-wide, excluding the patterns that were released in 2025. So I have some inspiration here, 15 of my latest makes. The sale ends Monday at midday in Australia, over here in this area of the world tonight, Sunday night. So don't miss out. This is the Dream On dress. I love this one in ITY. It's got several tiers, really beautiful sleeves. This is the symphony skirt. It's a gorgeous skirt that I had a lot of fun with, matching all the stripes. Pull up, neat, super comfortable. The Wanderlust is amazing. I made this long maxi version in ITY. Amazing tropical print, really nice fit and an easy make. And then the next one's a little bit more dramatic. The swing of the style of the dress is more apparent here with the Ponte Roma. Super lovely skirt. I love her fit and flare, and check out those little puff sleeves. Adorable. This is the Entice Me dress in a fitted athletic knit, bodycon type dress with ruching on one of the sides. It's one of the options. There's many options in this dress. Mine is sleeveless, but you can also sew sleeves. This is the Follow Me wrap dress. Very pretty. The print in this dress is amazing. It's a wrap skirt, but it's a fake wrap skirt because it's caught in the bodice. Really safe, and that little flounce is darling. I sewed a wrap skirt the same without the flounce in this sweater knit, which is really pretty, paired with the downtown jacket in linen, also from Pattern Emporium. This is the My Embrace cardigan. It's got a cocoon shape in a sweater knit. It's a really easy make. All the edges are just folded in and top stitched. There's a center back seam. You don't have to sew a band here, and it's lovely. These are the sachet shorts. So nice. I made a short version here in a swim fabric. Very nice. It's like a swing style, but a short. It looks like a skirt, and this is a longer one in a leopard print athletic knit. Love the leopard print. The beige tones here are amazing, and this is a really fun make with a yoga waistband. Just pull up and wear. Very easy to sew. Bohemian wrap skirt in a blue linen. I absolutely love this one. It's amazing. It's got really thin ties around the waist, and it also was pretty easy to sew. This is a Sweet Talker bubble sleeve top in a broderie anglaise in white, paired with my symphony skirt. It's darling. Those sleeves are amazing. And I also made one in a rayon linen blend with a really dramatic polka dot. This has the same type bubble sleeve, but longer, just above the elbow, and it's super nice, super floaty. Love how it looks like with jeans, but I could also dress it up. Then I have the tiered maxi skirt in a beautiful rayon linen blend in green tones with a tropical print. I added a slit to the front just to have some ventilation, and it's a beautiful fresh flowy skirt. I'm newish to maxis again, and I'm loving them. And this is the Spellbound dress, super nice in a knit with a little cap sleeve. Easy to sew. The sale ends Monday at midday in Australia, over here in this area of the world tonight, Sunday night. So don't miss out.